I'm back. Oh my goodness. It's day 12 of our declutter challenge. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. So today we're going to focus on purging our accessories. Like seriously. Oh my gosh. This includes makeup, jewelry, shoes, and clothing. So we have all these areas in our home that seem to accumulate clutter really fast, or even faster than others. And our accessories are often one of them. Okay. I know for me, for a fact, my accessories, it's ridiculous. Okay. Let's start with makeup first, because I low-key was a makeup artist for like 20 years. So we're not even going to talk about how much skincare and makeup I have. It's ridiculous. So anyway, here we go. Let's get started. So let's start with the makeup drawer. I don't have a makeup drawer. I have like a makeup situation. Okay. Okay. That stuff is spilling out everywhere. Okay. I even went to Sally's and got one of those beauty trolleys that has trays in it. And I have two of them fully stacked, fully stocked with like stuff. So yeah, I know some of that stuff is probably expired. I need to go through it. So I'm doing this with you guys. I am. And there will be photographic evidence when I go ahead and do this. So you'll be able to see, you'll be like, damn, when you go through the stuff, it's ridiculous. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started, right? Go through the makeup drawer. All right. Take out everything and give the drawers a good clean. All right. As you go through your makeup, toss out anything that's expired or you no longer use. Now, this is something I have to do because I have so many things, oh my God, that I no longer use. It's just sitting there, just taking up space. So be honest with yourself about what you need and what you don't. Okay. I just recently bought some new makeup, and I have, oh my God, I have foundation for days. It's ridiculous. All right. Now, speaking of ridiculous, I also low-key was a jewelry consultant. So I have a room, like this room that I'm sitting in, a room full of jewelry. It's ridiculous. But anyway, back to this. Now let's talk about your jewelry drawer. I don't have a jewelry drawer. I have a jewelry room. Okay. I have a room upstairs, and this room also full of jewelry. Is ridiculous. Okay. Anyway, now untangle any knots or any broken pieces. Look, I could throw away stuff and still have stuff to wear for a year and not repeat. that Oh gosh. Okay. I really do need to get rid of some of my stuff. But anyway, if you have things that are broken and things that you can fix, things that need to be fixed or thrown away, start making some piles. And if you're really going to fix it, then fix it. But if you're not, just put it in the throwaway pile. Okay. All right. Now organize the jewelry so that everything is easily visible and accessible. And that's like the important thing with jewelry, because if you can't see it, you're not going to use it. Okay. It is what it is. All right. So now let's just move on to the shoes. OMG. I'm telling all my business. Oh my goodness. See, look. A girl after my own heart. She got leopard shoes, honey. Yes. Oh my gosh. Anyway, squirrel. So now let's look at the shoes. Take out all your shoes. All right. Give the cabinet a good clean, or the floor, or wherever you put them. If you have shoe boxes, do that. Make sure you have all the things that you need. Now, donate or sell any pairs that you're not wearing anymore or don't fit, as you go through the shoes. Now, how many of you guys got those high heel shoes? Or, you might not have high heel shoes. You might have, special like sneakers or whatever that you're like, oh man, these are bomb. I'm going to wear these. I have these heels that back in the day when I used to like go clubbing and stuff. Oh my gosh, those heels were amazing. They were huge, like really, really tall, like really, really tall. I can't wear that crap anymore. I don't know why I'm still holding on to those shoes. So it's time to just go ahead and give them up. So anyway, you do the same. Okay. Let's go ahead and fix the shoe closet. And now we're going to go to the guide and look. See, the guide has all of these little areas. There are 4 areas for you to make your organizational lists, right? So for everything that we did, do you need any additional storage things? Do you need any shoe case thingies or whatever? I saw something today on Amazon. Oh my gosh. I was like, oh my God, I got to get those, but I don't really have to. I already have shoe boxes. You can get shoe boxes at the Dollar Tree, y'all, seriously. And, organize your shoes that way, whatever you need to do. Okay. So now once you go through everything, oh, wait, we got to do clothes. Yes. Finally, let's tackle the clothes cabinet. Now this is another thing. Yeah, this is another thing. All right. Take everything out, sort them. The things that you wear all the time. Yes, that's in the keep pile. The stuff that you don't wear, you might have to have a little conversation and be like, okay, do I really want this? I mean, what size are you now? Okay. If you're 3 sizes bigger than it was the last time and you're like, you know what? I'm going to lose the weight and get into that. Okay. We might have to have a little conversation. It's time to put that in the donate pile, okay? Donate it, sell it, do something with it, but it needs to get out your closet. All right. So now that we did all of that, I'm going to say congratulations. Congratulations for completing day 12 of the Declutter Challenge. By purging your personal accessories, you'll feel lighter and more organized, and keep up the good work, because now we're going to get into really doing some more stuff. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that shoe closet. Okay. That is what I'm talking about. See, all the makeup has a place. All the jewelry has a place. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I love it. Anyways. So look, remember, if you haven't already done so, you can get our declutter guide, right? By going to lbcbranding.link/declutter. And this will help you stay on track. Be sure to press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more information, and share your progress on social media with the hashtag Declutter Challenge. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all, you know what? I had to take a moment to get organized so that I could get through this, because for a minute there, oh my goodness, it was a thing. So anyways, I'm so excited that you came to join me today on another episode of our Great Declutter Challenge. We will see you in the next video. Deuces!